everyone. Today I will present about the poetry. There are characteristic, types, and elements. My name is Aulia Marsha and my serial number is 30. My student ID is 240180206. Okay everyone, this is my presentation. Okay, the introduction. Poetry is one of the oldest and most beautiful forms of literature. It expresses feelings, thoughts, and imagination through artistic language. Over time, poetry has developed from traditional to modern and finally to contemporary poetry. Each type shows a different style, creativity, and purpose. Next, what is contemporary poetry? Contemporary poetry is a type of poetry that breaks traditional rules. It uses free forms and language and often talks about modern life. The main purpose is to show creativity, novelty, and sometimes social criticism. Okay, the characteristics of contemporary poetry. The form and language in contemporary poetry are very free. It may not follow rhyme or rhythm, but it often uses symbols, imagery, or unique shapes to deliver a message. Some poems even combine visual art and text to make it more expressive. There are three main types of poetry. There is traditional poetry, modern poetry, and contemporary poetry. Traditional poetry follows strict forms like pantun or syair. Modern poetry, such as sonnet or ode, focuses more in emotion. Meanwhile, contemporary poetry is more experimental and artistic. Traditional poetry has a fixed structure and rhyme pattern. The language is usually formal and full of meaning. For example, a simple pantun says, "Rajin belajar setiap detik agar cita-cita tercapai semua." It teaches moral value in a beautiful way. Modern poetry gives the writers more freedom to express emotions and personal experiences. Contemporary poetry goes even further. It combines words with art of visual. For example, a poem can be written in the shape of a tree or heart to match its the theme. This shows that poetry is not only written, it's also visual and emotional. Every poem has two main elements. First, the physical elements such as diction, imagery, rhyme, and figurative language. And the second, the inner elements like them, tone, feeling, and message. For example, in the line "The moonlight falls on silent streets," we can feel the imaginary of peace and calmness. That's the power of poetry. In summary, poetry has evolved over time. Traditional poetry focuses on structure, modern poetry on emotion, and contemporary poetry on freedom and creativity. But all of them share the same goal: to express human feelings and experiences. To conclude, poetry is not just about words, it's about emotion, talk, and art. Each form of poetry has its own beauty and message for the readers. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope this presentation will more display. That's all for me. Thank you.